My neighbor, Frank, a 72-year-old retired mailman, told me he felt like a prisoner in his own home. He used to love building model airplanes with his grandson, but his hands had become so stiff and painful he couldn't even hold the tiny pieces anymore. He said, "I feel like I'm just watching my life happen instead of living it." That conversation reminded me of what an old family doctor once said. Most of the problems we call old age are really just the body crying out for help against a low-grade fire inside. He explained that when you add just a few drops of black seed oil to pure raw honey, you create one of the most powerful natural supports for the aging body. Today, I'm revealing 14 stubborn health problems that this ancient mixture can help solve. We are going to start with number 14, the exact problem that was stealing my neighbor Frank's joy. But be sure to watch the whole video, because number 5 is the shocking discovery your doctor probably says is irreversible. And the final solution, number 1, is the root cause of almost everything we'll talk about today. Let's begin. Number 14, arthritis, joint pain, and morning stiffness. This is the problem that was stealing Frank's joy. It's not just the pain, it's the feeling that your own body is betraying you. That grinding in your knees, the stiffness in your hands first thing in the morning. That is the low-grade fire the old doctor was talking about. It's chronic inflammation, constantly irritating the cushion in your joints. Here is why this works so well. Black seed oil contains a powerful compound called thymoquinone. Think of this as a gentle, natural fire extinguisher for the inflammation in your joints. Raw honey adds its own soothing properties and helps your body absorb the oil more effectively. Here is the exact method that helped Frank. Mix 1 teaspoon of cold-pressed black seed oil with 1 tablespoon of pure, raw honey. Take this first thing every single morning on an empty stomach. Frank noticed his morning stiffness started to ease within 5 days. Within 2 weeks, he was back at the table with his grandson, carefully gluing a wing onto a model airplane. For the first time in years, he wasn't just watching, he was living. But soothing your joints is just the first step. Next, we need to rebalance the system that controls that inflammation in the first place. Number 13, a weak immune system. Do you feel like you catch every cold that goes around, or that a simple sniffle knocks you out for a week? As we get older, our immune system can become less like a well-trained army and more like a confused, panicked mob. It overreacts to small things and misses the real threats. The mistake most people make is trying to boost their immunity with massive doses of vitamins, which can sometimes make the system even more confused. This mixture doesn't just boost, it helps balance. The black seed oil helps guide your immune cells to fight real invaders, while the honey creates a soothing environment in your throat and gut where germs struggle to take hold. The method is take the daily mixture of 1 teaspoon of black seed oil and 1 tablespoon of honey every morning. Be consistent. This isn't a quick fix. It's about building a smarter, more resilient defense system over time. Many people report feeling more robust and getting sicker less often after a month of daily use. Now, your immune system is deeply connected to your gut, which is where our next problem begins. Number 12. Poor digestion, gas, and bloating. Nothing ruins your day faster than that heavy, bloated feeling after a meal. Your gut is often called your second brain, and when it's upset, your whole body feels out of sorts. For many seniors, this constant digestive distress makes them afraid to eat the foods they love or go out with friends. The problem is often an irritated gut lining. This mixture acts like a gentle, healing balm. The honey's natural properties soothe the irritated tissues, while the black seed oil helps calm the inflammation that causes the cramping and gas. Patricia, 65, told us she suffered from embarrassing gas and discomfort for years. She started taking the mixture first thing in the morning, 30 minutes before breakfast. Within 1 week, she said she felt a quietness in her stomach she hadn't felt in a decade. It allowed the mixture to coat her digestive tract and set a calm, positive tone for the day. When your digestion works better, your body can create more energy, which brings us to our next point. Number 11, chronic fatigue and afternoon energy crashes. You wake up tired, you need a coffee just to get going, and by 3 p.m., you hit a wall so hard you feel like you could sleep for a week. It's like your body's battery never fully charges anymore. This isn't normal aging. It's a sign that your cells are struggling to convert food into clean, stable energy. Most people reach for more caffeine or sugar, but that's like putting cheap, dirty fuel in your car. It just leads to a bigger crash later. This mixture helps your cells become more efficient. The black seed oil supports your mitochondria, your cellular power plants, while the raw honey provides a clean, steady source of fuel that doesn't cause a spike and crash. The method: take 1 dose of the mixture mid-morning around 10 a.m. right before your energy usually starts to dip. This helps prevent that afternoon slump. Most people notice they no longer need that afternoon nap within the first 4 to 5 days. Tell me in the comments, on a scale of 1 to 10, how is your energy level today? Number 10. Brain fog and slow memory. You walk into a room and completely forget why you're there. You struggle to find a simple word mid-sentence. This brain fog is incredibly frustrating and can make you worry about your mental sharpness. This is often a sign of inflammation and poor circulation in the delicate blood vessels of the brain. This mixture helps on 2 fronts. The black seed oil's anti-inflammatory action helps protect brain cells and supports healthy blood flow, delivering more oxygen where it's needed. The pure glucose in raw honey is the brain's preferred fuel source, providing the clean energy needed for sharp thinking. A 73-year-old retired librarian reported that after 10 days of the mixture, the fog had lifted, and she felt sharp enough to enjoy reading dense history books again. For brain health, consistency is everything. Take the mixture once in the morning and once in the early evening to ensure a steady supply of support. Improving blood flow to the brain is critical, and it's just as important for your heart. Number 9. High blood pressure support. When your doctor talks about high blood pressure, it often means your blood vessels have become stiff and rigid, like old garden hoses. This forces your heart to work much harder to pump blood through your body, putting a constant strain on your most vital organ. The anti-inflammatory power of black seed oil helps relax the walls of your blood vessels, making them more flexible. This allows blood to flow more easily and can help take some of the pressure off your heart. Raw honey contains antioxidants and compounds that support overall heart health over time. As always, this is for educational purposes and is a supportive routine to try alongside your doctor's care. Never stop taking prescribed medication. The method is simple. Continue with the standard daily dose in the morning. This is a foundational support strategy that works best over time to help your body maintain its own balance. This supports your internal health, but what about the health of your largest organ, your skin? Number 8. Dry, itchy skin and eczema. As we age, our skin often becomes dry, thin, and easily irritated. You might have those persistent itchy patches that no lotion can fix, or flare-ups of eczema on your hands and elbows. This is a sign that your skin's natural healing barrier is compromised. This mixture works from the inside out and the outside in. Taken internally, it helps calm the systemic inflammation that can trigger skin conditions. Applied externally, it's a powerful healing balm. A woman named Susan struggled with a painful patch of eczema on her wrist for 6 months. She started applying a mixture of equal parts black seed oil and honey directly to the patch before bed, covering it with a soft cloth. The next morning, the redness was visibly calmer, and it cleared completely in just 4 days. But what if your biggest problem isn't itchy skin, but an itchy mind that won't let you sleep? Number 7. Insomnia and restless sleep. You're exhausted, but the moment your head hits the pillow, your mind starts racing. You toss and turn, wake up multiple times, and feel groggy the next day. When you can't sleep deeply, your body can't repair itself, and your brain can't clear out the toxins that build up during the day. This happens because your nervous system gets stuck in an overstimulated state, swimming in stress hormones. This mixture gently calms that system down. The compounds in the oil help regulate the signals that tell your brain it's time to rest. helping your body transition into deep, restorative sleep. The method: take 1 dose of the mixture about 1 hour before bed. Stir it into a small cup of warm, non-caffeinated herbal tea, like chamomile. This creates a powerful ritual that signals to your body and mind that it's time to wind down. Most people report falling asleep more easily and waking up feeling more refreshed within 3 to 5 nights. By the way, getting high-quality, cold-pressed black seed oil is crucial. If you don't have one you trust, I've put a link to the exact one I use in the description below. Number 6. Stubborn weight and a slow metabolism. If you've struggled for years to lose that stubborn weight, especially around your middle, you need to hear this. It is not a willpower problem. Stubborn fat is often a symptom of chronic inflammation, which disrupts the hormones that control your hunger, cravings, and metabolism, making weight loss feel impossible. This mixture helps reset that balance. It helps improve how your body uses insulin and calms the inflammation that forces your body to cling to fat for dear life. But the timing is critical. Taking it at the right moment can be the difference between a minor benefit and a major metabolic shift. The method: take 1 dose of the mixture 30 minutes before your largest meal of the day. The honey sends a gentle signal of fullness to your brain, while the black seed oil prepares your body to process the meal more efficiently, steering the fuel toward energy instead of fat storage. If this information is helping you, take a moment to hit that like button. It tells YouTube to share this with more people who need it. Number 5. Nerve pain and neuropathy. This is the one your doctor may have told you is irreversible. That awful tingling, numbness, or burning pins and needles feeling in your feet and hands. Nerve pain is different. It's unpredictable and can make simple tasks like walking or buttoning a shirt feel agonizing. Here's the breakthrough understanding. This discomfort often stems from damage to the protective coating around your nerves called the myelin sheath. Black seed oil contains powerful antioxidants that help protect this delicate lining from further damage, while its anti-inflammatory properties can help calm the irritated nerves. David, a 61-year-old carpenter, struggled with nerve pain in his hands that made it impossible to hold his tools. Alongside his medical treatment, he started taking the mixture twice a day. He said the improvement was gradual, but after 3 weeks, the burning sensation had reduced significantly, and he could feel the difference between a nail and a screw head for the first time in years. While this soothes your nerves, it can also soothe your airways. Number 4. Breathing difficulties and asthma support. If you struggle to get a full, deep breath, or if you find yourself wheezing at night, it's a terrifying feeling. This happens when your airways become inflamed and constricted. This mixture offers gentle, natural support. The black seed oil contains a compound that works as a natural bronchodilator, which means it helps relax the muscle bands around your airways, making it easier to breathe. The honey helps by coating and soothing the irritated tissues in your throat and lungs. Sarah, 54, had relied on her inhaler for 15 years. After starting this mixture twice daily, she said the difference in her breathing was almost immediate. For quick support during a cough or a moment of breathlessness, take half a teaspoon of the mixture slowly, allowing it to coat your throat as it goes down. From your lungs, we move to the health of your hair. Number 3. Hair thinning and scalp problems. Are you noticing more hair in your brush or in the shower drain? Is your part getting wider? For many people, thinning hair is one of the most visible and confidence-damaging signs of aging. This often stems from poor circulation to the scalp and inflammation at the hair root. This mixture works to create a healthy, fertile environment for hair growth. The black seed oil stimulates the hair follicles and improves circulation, while the honey provides natural nutrients that feed the hair roots.
The method is, for the best results, you need a two-pronged attack. Take the mixture orally every day to address internal imbalances. Additionally, twice a week, create a scalp mask by mixing equal parts oil and honey. Massage it gently into your scalp, leave it on for 30 minutes, and then shampoo as usual. You may notice less hair fall within a month, and new fine baby hairs often begin to appear after 2 to 3 months of consistent use. Now, let's address another critical number that worries so many seniors. Number 2, unstable blood sugar. This isn't just about a number on a glucose meter. It's the exhaustion, the cravings, and the constant frustration of feeling like you're not in control of your own body. The crucial mistake many people make is cutting out all sugars, including honey. But raw honey is metabolized differently by the body. Black seed oil has been shown in studies to help improve insulin sensitivity. This means it helps your cells become smarter and more efficient at absorbing sugar from your bloodstream for energy, which helps prevent those sharp, dangerous spikes. The method is vital. Take the mixture of 1 teaspoon of black seed oil and 1 tablespoon of honey 30 minutes before your largest meal of the day. This prepares your cells and helps your body process the meal more efficiently, leading to more stable energy and fewer cravings. And this brings us to the number one problem, the root cause behind almost everything we've discussed today. Number 1, the root cause, chronic inflammation. This is the most important battle your body is fighting every single day. Chronic inflammation is the silent fire that slowly damages your body at a cellular level. It's the hidden force behind arthritis, heart problems, brain fog, and so many other conditions of aging. Addressing this root cause is the key to genuinely feeling younger and more vibrant. Honey and black seed oil attack this problem together like a perfect team. The black seed oil acts like the fire extinguisher, turning down the body's inflammatory signals. The raw honey, packed with powerful antioxidants, acts like the cleanup crew, repairing the cellular damage left behind by the fire. Taking this mixture every single day isn't just about soothing one symptom. It's about supporting your entire system from the ground up, giving your body the tools it needs to heal itself.